Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to Overis'Essence, and I'm super excited to be doing this video. This is the first time I'm trying a distressed butterfly look, and it came out looking like this, and I like the way he came out, even though I wanted to be fuller, like really big. But yeah, this is what I got after spending roughly, I spent like 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, I spent like 4 hours 30 minutes, was it 11, 12? Yeah, 4 hours 30 minutes, I think. No, 2 hours 30 minutes, what am I saying? 2 hours 30 minutes to install this look, and then yes, and this is how it came out. So you can decide to wear it like this, anything that tickles my fancy, and yeah, baby, up in my Maserati. Okay. Oh, just let it go, let it flow, let it be free, let it be free. So if you're not friends, if you're not a friend of this family, you should just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because it will not be nice after watching this video and you don't like it. It's not easy to put in strength and record video. It's not easy. I am reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria, and it is not easy. No lights. Cost of living is very high. Everything is somersaulted, and then you now watch my video, you now not like it. What did I do to you? Oh yeah, now be nice. So like the video, share the video with your friends I think will like this distressed butterfly locks, bob locks. You see, all neck level, neck length rather. So, and leave a comment, encourage me. It's not easy, it's not easy to be recording video. I'm coming here every day. It's not easy, but I hope you enjoyed the video. So you're going to be watching the video right now of how I created this magnificent scanty butterfly distressed locks. The name's just too much, but just watch it and see what I used to achieve it. And make sure you come back and tell me you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for subscribing. Yeah, thank you. Up in my Maserati. I love the hair. So guys, basically what I used 1 spring twist and a quarter. So I'm going to cut this into 2. As you can see, cut this strand into 2, then open it up and then separate it into 2 to prepare my hair. That's to also remove the quarter that I will need to complete this strand I'm about to show to you. So I'll divide it into 2 again. So I use 1.25 rather spring twist hair to complete 1 strand. So, and then I pass my crochet pin through my calabar, collecting my spring twist hair, collecting one side of the strand. Do not forget, do not pull the both sides out. So I'll collect my spring twist hair. So I'll pull one side, holding one side firm, and then use my hand to pull it out. So I'll now measure it with the ones I've done before to actually get them to be the same length. That's the essence of you measuring it. Yeah, I like to oil my hand because my hands get dry when I'm trying to do hair or do my hair. So I always grease it. So it may seem like I'm braiding the opposite direction, but no, it's because I'm using the front camera to record this. So tighten the root as much as you want and then start creating your loop when you're ready. So you create the loop with one finger and then support it with the thumb at the back. As you can see, support it, because if you do not support it at the back, when you're rolling, it will pull it out. So I learned that over time. So I support at the back and then I keep rolling and then create the loop, support at the back and roll. You need support it so that you do not pull it back into the hair. So it's a necessary evil. Permit me to say that. So I'm going to be adding the quarter that I already prepared to the strand. You know, the bottom part gets really bulky, so I just didn't want to add too much hair. I wasn't sure how it would come out, but yeah, so I'm trying this out for the first time. So I'll complete the hair. So when I think it's long enough, then I will fold it. So yeah, I think it's long enough right now. Long enough. Okay, so I'll now fold it back in, wrapping it back all up. As you wrap back upstairs, you can create the loop again, create the butterfly effect, and go up. Yeah, so that's it. Create the butterfly effect and go up. I do not fancy the gum method because I feel it to just be all messy. So I'm using just roll back into the hair. So I'll show you one more time. Roll, pass your crochet pin through your calabar and take your prepared extension, 1 spring twist hair, and then collect one side of the strand, holding firm the other side, pull through. Then I use my hand to pull it back downwards. So that's it. Measure the hair to your desired length and then continue rolling. Thread the bottom to make it tight. Once you feel it's tight enough, then you start creating your loop and wrap all the way down. That's how it's done. So yeah, my root is complete. So I created a pattern for my hair. So I create the loop and then support it at the back, and then I roll it about 4 times. So yeah, create the loop, then wrap 1, 2, 3, 4. Create the loop. Okay, the loop is 1, 2, 3, 4. Create the loop. 1. So just I create a pattern to make it easy for me to know when to stop and create the butterfly looks. Sometimes I do 3 rows, I did 4, as I just did something to make me know that I need to stop because I want to have a pattern to make my life easy, basically. So you can try that. Then remember, you can attach the hair, you can attach an extra extension if you think it's not long enough. Don't feel restricted, don't feel worried. You can attach hair, just roll it in and then it should just stay in place. and then keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. When you get to the end, the desired length, then you fold and wrap it all back into the hair. So I'm gonna be folding right now. You see? So wrap it up, support it with your fingers, and then fold up. As you go back upstairs, you can create the loop with the butterfly effect again. You can decide to leave it, then wrap up all until you exhaust your extension. Until you exhaust your extension, because it will just sink into the hair. So just wrap up, wrap, then smoothing it with your hands. You can see what I'm doing there. And yeah, that's it. I'm done. I have 46 strands of hair, and then I'm applying my hair product to make it shine and look beautiful. Use whatever you have. It's synthetic hair, so you can apply your oil sheen and your hair mousse and your holding spray, anything you want to apply. And that's the end of the rolling and talking method that we did. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, tell a friend to come join the family. Then subscribe, like the video, and share. Then leave a comment below what you think, and if you try it, if you have tried it, tell me your experience and how many hours it took you to make this hair or for your stylist. So I'm just trying to cute up my edges, applying edge control so I can look like a baby girl, baby girl for life. Just apply my edge control to make it look really good. Yeah, just do what makes you happy, basically. So we've come to the end. Please join the family, subscribe, share, like. I'll see you in my next video. I love you all.